When multiple screens are available, operators can maximize Security Desk by pressing the F11 key on the keyboard. Open the Run command box by pressing the Windows logo plus the R key. In the Run command field, type shell column startup and then press Enter key to open the startup folder. Then copy and paste the app shortcut from the desktop to this startup folder. If you also want to automatically log into Security Desk or Config Tool, return to the shortcut in the startup folder and right-click and select Properties. Type the following information at the end of the target command line. Type -D followed by the directory name or IP you want to connect to. -U followed by the username, and -W followed by the password. In this example, I'm logging into directory IP 192.168.1.150 with the username admin and the password of 123456. To open multiple instances of Security Desk or Config Tool, first create a shortcut on your desktop. Right-click the application icon, select Properties, and add -test mode after the target command line argument. Click Apply, close the Properties window, and now double-click on the application to log in. Repeat the login process to open more instances. Open Config Tool, go to User Management, and select the user. Under Identity, Active Applications, you can see that multiple instances of the same application are now open by the user. Follow the steps to remove the cached logon information in Security Desk and Config Tool. Navigate to the local C drive, Users, Username, App Data, Local, and your Security Center folder. Locate the Logon Options extension.xml file. Right-click and select Open with Notepad. Remove the entries between the data store history and the username history elements. Before exiting, remember to save the changes. Close the application and reopen. You should now see that all history is now clear. To log on using your Windows user account, select Use Windows Credentials. This option is only available if Active Directory is set up on your system. Now, if your client workstation is not on the same domain as your server, or if you want to log on to Security Center with a different Windows account, you must clear the Use Windows Credential option and type your username in the format domain/username. To view route information, highlight the tile and press the Ctrl, Shift, and R keys on your keyboard. You can use the on-screen information to troubleshoot video-related problems. Now, if you want to view the camera streams and stream-related information, just press the Ctrl, Shift, A key on your keyboard.